Cargo pants is a kind of loose pants with many pockets. It used to be a popular thing more than 100 years ago. With the passage of time, it has a large number of fans in various industries and fields, but after the 1980s, it gradually faded from people's attention. With the outbreak of economic crisis, the long-faded cargo pants have hit the European and American fashion industry, causing quite a stir, and has penetrated into China, becoming the new favorite of the fashion industry. On the one hand, the workwear can match with other styles of clothes. On the other hand, the element of workwear is very easy to match with what you already have in your closet and make your own style. Because of superior comfort and wearability, more and more people pay attention to and love workwear. As more and more famous persons like to wear workwear, it has gradually entered the fashion stage and become the new favorite among young people all over the world. Wearing workwear is not only for the need of work, but also to convey a life attitude of pursuing casual and independent.